welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we have I'll be showcasing some new products we're going to use, along with some stash ads. All right, let's get to it. Well, our first product here is Dave's Magic Paint Stripper. Now, Dave's told me, and also my friend Marty introduced me to this product. This is an excellent product for the modeling world. You painted something, how it run or wrinkled up, not a problem. Get a plastic bucket, like a shoebox size bucket. Pour some in there, let it soak for a while. It started working within a couple hours, but overnight, just scrub it off, rinse it off with water. Environmentally friendly, made in the United States, great product. My friend Marty stripped a van that I messed up down to bare plastic, no residue, no stains. This was an excellent product. He sent me some stickers. That. There's another one. That's pretty cool. His phone number is area code 920-253-1740. Or you can email him at, I'll get it off here, David Hart, JES at gmail.com. His name is David Hartjes. Okay. This is an excellent product. I've used it myself. My friend Marty helped me out, introduced me to this product. And I talked with the owner of the company. Great stuff. So I'm going to do a video on this product to get a project that was messed up or something. We're going to strip it and see how it works. All right, on to the next new product. All right, next product here, we got some cement. Now this is the Mr. Hobby Mr. Cement SP. Now the SP is the faster bonding action. They have lower versions if you want to do something slower than that. And the difference in the color of the cap and whatnot is the distinctive feature. Right now, it seems like Tamiya products for the glues and cements are hard to get a hold of. This was recommended by some friends of mine, said give it a whirl, so we're going to try it and see how it turns out. So I picked this up here on Amazon. I believe it was only $5.99. So we're going to give it a whirl. We'll try it out on our next build. All right, on to the stash ads. The first one I got, I picked this up over at Hobby Depot in Tempe, Arizona. My friend Dick Christ over there owns that store. And he had the brand new issue of this. And we're going to do a build on the show with this. This looks like a great kit. Let's see the pictures. There we go. Look at that stuff. Pretty cool. Really detailed kit. I'll go over it detail when we do the video. But this is all new. 100% from Revell Models. So pick you up one. If you're in the Tempe, Arizona area, go see Dick over at Hobby Depot, okay? All right, let's get to the next one. Look at this, 71 Thunderbird. Now this hasn't been out in a while. This is an older issue. Came out by Model King a few years ago. Well, a few, probably, goodness. Let me see, hang on. Does it have a year on here? Maybe. 2007. Oh, it's been a while ago. Sorry, guys. But this is now, I guess, becoming vintage. It's a cool kit. I just got a hold of it in my stash. And we're going to probably build this one on the channel because I thought it was really cool. So watch for that in upcoming videos. All right. Let's get to the next one, which I think you're really going to enjoy. All right, get ready for this one. Look at this. This is a real vintage. Look at that. And this is mint. All right, I got this from a good friend of mine, Dan Doan, here in Arizona. He's a good friend of mine. And I got this for a really good price. And it's mint inside and out. And we're definitely going to build this on the channel. It is really cool. I'm digging it. Not sure how I'm going to build it. I don't know. This looks pretty neat. They're all pretty cool. So we'll find out in an upcoming video, so watch for that one too. Right, the next one's kind of old too. Mid-2000s on this one. And that's the 1979 Ford pickup. This is a great kit. It's been reissued as the Firestone kit recently. It goes together mediocre. You gotta kind of fight it a little bit, but it makes a nice truck, and there is no late 70s Ford truck really out there. So you got to kind of make do what you got. And I really enjoyed building one of these last time on my video, the Indy Pace truck. You'll see that if you scroll down a little bit. But this is a pretty cool truck. I enjoyed kind of building it. So we got this added to the stash. Let's look at the next one, which is a brand new kit. All right, hot out of the mailbox is the Chevrolet 3500 series, a 1996 Chevrolet. This is a cool kit, dually. Now this is one of those easy builds, so it's going to have, it does not have an engine, but the hood opens and you can install your own engine that you might have in your stash or whatnot. So they have improved the grill on this, and they also give these really cool decals. Things like that. You can see the grill actually has now separate headlight lenses. The originals were molded on, so that's an improvement. And we're going to go ahead and build this on the program real soon, so watch for that. All right, well, I'm glad you're here to watch me add some new kits to show on the program and some new products to showcase. All right, well, until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.